How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everybody! If our WhatsApp is linked to other devices, anyone with access can read our messages in real time. So if we do not unlink the unused devices, our privacy can be at risk. So let's remove them properly. We open up WhatsApp on our primary phone for that and make sure we are logged in. And from here, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. Once we tap on it, a menu pops up on our screen. Select the option of link devices from the menu and open it up. And once we do so, here we'll be viewing all of the connected devices. We'll be seeing a list of WhatsApp web, desktop, or other link devices here. And it also shows the last active time. Now, in order to unlink a device, we just need to tap on the device we want to remove. And once we do so, we can tap on this option called logout, confirm it up, and the device is instantly unlinked. And you can repeat the same step for all the listed devices from this section, and this ensures the full account security. And that's it. In order to avoid this, you can avoid linking WhatsApp on public computers, and you can check linked devices regularly, and that should probably do it. Now we have successfully unlinked WhatsApp from other devices and secured our account. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.